Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add an admin on Facebook page. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, and click on double click menu option and shows your Facebook page. Okay, and tap on menu option and click on settings and privacy, then tap on settings and scroll down, click on page setup. Okay, and tap on page access, then tap on people with Facebook access. Just tap on add now and click on next and search this username and add this your friend to add an admin on Facebook page. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.